am super excited to showcase this 24-inch glueless human hair wig. Now, first of all, as soon as I got it in the mail, I got crazy excited because the box had my name on it. Oh my gosh, like, I felt extremely special with my name on the box. This box is beautiful, like very nice quality. Let's just get into this girl. Her name is Tyra. So she is a 24-inch, as you can see, wig right here. She is beautiful with also these money pieces as well. And it says 150% density, but honestly, she is so thick. I would almost think that she was thicker than 150%, like 180 or maybe more. She is really nicely made. As you can see, super natural with the placement of the highlights and the money pieces. Since she is very a premium high quality wig, she is just gonna be made to perfection. So as soon as I opened her, I was like, oh my gosh, this hairline, beautifully plucked, and of course will all be edged out for your hairline. Now, one of the things I first noticed, and none of my wigs have this glorious of a wig band, but this has the most beautiful wig band I have ever seen. It is gorgeous, it is thick. It also has, when you make it bigger, it has a little bit of these like rubber to kind of like, you know, just make sure it's extra secure on your head. So I'm super excited about this wig band and I feel like I want more of these. So also with the box, it did come with like, of course, a little thank you with how to care for your wig as well. And then it came with a little packet of just like wig needs, like scissors, a little comb, you know, some clips, which is really nice. Could always use these things. We'll notice as soon as I put her on, but she does have some product in her. So she does have a wax stick and of course a little bit of mousse to help her with her style. But of course we will whip it on so you can kind of see the full gamut. So recently with my wigs, I've just been tying my hair back almost like in a low pony. And then what I will also say about when you order your wig is that there's two sizes of wig caps that you can order, a small or a medium, which is really nice. So if you do require a smaller wig cap, it's nice that you have that option. So let's just whip her on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it feels so good with this wig band on. It just, honestly, it is a feeling that I've never had before and it just feels so secure. Oh my gosh, I'm already falling in love with how this feels. All right, so of course, let's take a look at this hairline. As I mentioned, it is really notched out. For your hairline to look as natural as possible. I mean, can we just talk about this? Oh my goodness, I cannot handle it. It is so nice. Of course, the top is really great as well. Kind of see some of the product that is in it. All right, so let's cut this lace off. Okay, so I had to back it up a little bit so we could really see how beautiful that this wig is. And like I mentioned, it says 150% density, but I really feel like it is thicker. She is very luxurious. 100%, there's no doubt about it. Since this wig has a lot of lace, of course, you can change the parting. What I would do if I wanted to change the parting, of course, would be like to just wash it just to get the product out and then put the product on if I wanted to keep it a certain way. But just so you can see, you know, putting it on this side, like look at that gorgeous lace all the way back. Like that is a dream sent from above right there. Super nice. I will say that this is definitely one of the best quality human haired wigs I have ever reviewed. I am really impressed with everything to do with this wig. Do have free shipping. They gave me a 15% coupon code. So of course the link is down below for this wig, including the website. Please check it out. Thank you everybody for watching, and never forget, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous in an ultra luxurious human haired wig, own it, love it, and rock it out. And we will see you soon.